How to add your own music to post in Instagram. So if you want to add your own music to post in your Instagram, then you won't have that option on your Instagram, right? So in order to post your own music, what you need to do is you need to take help of the other applications, like editing applications. For example, you can go with CapCut. So you can open up your CapCut, or if you have a song, then you can just simply go and screen record whatever song you may want, and you can post it on your Instagram. But if you have the audio in your device, then you can open up your CapCut. After that, go with new project, select the video, go with add, which is on the bottom right. And once you've selected, now if you want to add your own music to this video, then you just need to simply mute the clip at first. Once you've muted, now you need to go with add audio, which is here on the bottom. Tap on it and then go with sound, which is on the bottom left. And you can select the sound or the audio from your device. You can go with the second option, and you can go with the extracted audio, or you can also go with device, which is on the right side, which will take you to the device audio, and you can extract the audio from a video. And after that, the audio will be added to the particular video, which is right here. Once the audio has been added, you can go with export, which is on the top right. And after adding that music or that audio, you can go with your Instagram and post this particular video that you've just saved from your CapCut. In this way, you'll be able to add your own music. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.